Hi, my name is Aquino. I am hereby welcoming you to our mobile salon where we plate bespoke various hairstyles such as freehands, all braids, straight ups or straight backs, diverse weaves and many more at the most lowest prices possible. But with maximum flawless plating impact on your hairstyle, ensuring the best in styling designs and radiant look. We are Marca, based in Sabesa. Here is proof of our work, which ranges from natural hair, artificial and many styles suitable for both kids, men and women of all races. We've been in the industry since 2010. Which is exactly 15 plus years of hands-on experience. Designing conspicuously unique styles for every woman so they feel different. Our plating skills and appliances enable us to deliver exceptionally excellent results that attracts every soul that sees the woman we just serviced her hair. We are forever growing in knowledge and clients. That's why we're reaching out to you, because you're left out alone. We do come to you, or you are warmly welcome to visit us. No appointment is required. Call us now on 0767265353 or find us on Google. Simply write Michelle Caren Academy and get our location. We are on the map. Now you know.
Looking forward to seeing you for your next unique hairstyle. Regards, God bless you.